Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Nearly cleared the backlog of all the charity shop buys I've done recently. We've got 5 items here. What can we look at first? Got one of those wooden clip together kits. It's a Mammoth. Haven't seen one of them before. So cost me 50p, I was happy to pay that. This one, which is another wooden clip together kit. Earwig. I just had to buy that. My wife hates earwigs. It's another wooden clip together kit. Yeah, looks like it's all there. This one actually cost me £1, but because it was an earwig I just had to have it. Okay, next it's this. I've been looking for a little clip stand like this for quite a while now, so that when I go and have my coffee I can put my card there and take a photo. Cost me 50p in the RSPCA. Made in Taiwan. But yeah, that should be fine because that'll fit in my pocket all right. It'll bend around okay, it won't get broken in my pocket. And then I can put my card on display when I'm taking those photos of my coffee and cakes. So, fair enough. Next, dominoes. I seem to have got into a theme of buying dominoes lately so that I can stand them all up and make them fall over. Well, this set cost me £1 and I was very surprised when I opened it because look, never been opened. They look rather nice as well. Got little dimples in the middle to make them easier to pick up. So, very nice set. I assume they're plastic, but they should topple over nicely. And then the other set will be absolutely useless for domino topple, but should be a novelty. Dalmatian dominoes, as we can see, the little Dalmatian dogs. I didn't open it in the shop, so I hope they're all there. Should be 28 of them. Yeah, got the complete set. Novelty value. Yeah, pleased with that.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.